Hello बच्चों, welcome once again. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please do like and subscribe this video. Do subscribe the channel today. The point is, see, now today what am I going to tell you is going to be extremely important for all of you, as all of you have been through the first JEE mains attempt. The common problem, see, of course I am talking about mathematics. So the common problem is mathematics is okay, questions were doable, but then they were lengthy or they were a bit tricky. The idea, the concept, we couldn't crack the question during examination hour. See, now what are the targets, our next target in front of us? That is our next JEE mains April session, and of course the advanced paper, okay, in May. What shall we do? Now, see, my suggestion, and how am I going to help you for this? My suggestion is that, see, you should again go through your theory part once again whenever you are starting a chapter. Normally the mistake which the student commit is that whenever they have to start solving the questions of a chapter, they just pick up the any source and start solving the question without revising it. So don't commit that mistake. Whenever you are starting a chapter, do revise the notes, whichever theory, from whichever source you have those notes, be it your coaching notes, be it your online classes notes, whichever source it is, doesn't matter. Do revise the theory and then start it. Now comes the real problem. The real problem you might face is that most of you would have done the previous year question, because that's what we suggest before the JEE mains examination. So you are done, almost done with those PYQ. So I won't suggest you to repeat it. Okay, of course I won't. Then what? So the next problem is the source. But do we have that much time that we again select a source and then solve all its question? Answer is no. Because most of you will be taking your board exams also. Okay, so that's again a big not a trouble, but that's a fact, okay, which you have to face. So you have to appear in board examinations also. So how am I going to help you? See, now what we have decided here is that I will be posting for every chapter the mains and advanced level questions. Okay, it's not like just one question a day. No, what am I going to do? I'll try to post the questions in the morning itself. Let's say I'll be starting with straight line. I'm telling you that I'm starting with straight line because I'm ready with it. Okay, so I will post. I'm not giving the exact count, that may vary, maybe 8 questions, maybe 15 questions, whatever this is, for post it on the on the channel. And then once you have those questions, what you have to do, see, along with your board preparation, those who have to take board examination, I will say that keep 2 hours for mathematics, so that you are in touch with you. Keep 2 hours for mathematics. Okay, so if I'm posting the questions of a chapter, what you have to do, you just revise that chapter. So that may help you in scheduling also. I mean, that may help you in scheduling also in that case. So if I start with, let's say, straight line tomorrow, or maybe day after tomorrow, then you should start when you see that chapter is there. So you should first revise that chapter, spend 1 hour on it, and then open those question PDF, and then try to solve those questions. What I said is spend 2 hours on it. Okay, not more than that. But you need to think on those questions. Now, am I going to post simple question? Answer is of course not. I will be posting the question where you need to think, bachon, where you need to think how to apply the topics which you have already done, and then I will be posting a solution the way I do in the evening. Okay, so what you need at that time, this time you need to spend like 2 hours, maybe 1.5 hours daily on mathematics. That's what I'm suggesting. You may spare similarly 1 to 1.5 hours for physics and chemistry, and then you may spare 7 to 8 hours, 6-7 hours for exclusively for your board examination. So that's my suggestion is. Okay, so I'm talking about mathematics right now. So this is going to be a free series for the upcoming JEE mains and advanced paper, bachon. Chapter wise free series. I'll be providing you the questions and then its solution. Mind vivers, you can have trust on me that these questions will be highly relevant. Now let me tell you all that, see, if you would have been through my must do questions or expected questions of binomial statistics and 3D geometry, you will definitely realize that many of you would have got that similar type of question. See, it's not like I did something out of box. No, see, when I said that the shortest distance between two skew lines is a very anticipated question, that's I was pretty much sure that they will ask even the image of the point on the line, even the distance of a point from the line along the line, and general term of the binomial theorem. From where will they ask question in binomial when they have deleted almost the series part? So general term of the expansion is a very anticipated part. So so those who haven't seen that video must go and watch those videos again. They will be helpful in at least solving those type of questions which I've solved there, which I put in there for the next session also. Okay, so from our side, what are we going to do? We are going to help you in a way that will be providing the highly relevant questions, not several many like 50, 60, 100 questions. No, my point is simple. In maths I always say you need to think more. That will help you in cracking a new question during examination. You are repeatedly doing similar type of question, that might not be helpful to you bachcho when it comes to the to cracking the new question. Okay, so I am trying to give you a good relevant questions for JEE Mains and advanced both, and there in the post you will find the questions are for mains or advanced. So my target is with 2 chapters in a week, 2 chapters in a week for mains, and might be 1 chapter or 2 chapters for advanced also. Okay, so be ready for it. Again, I will ask you people to do subscribe the channel. It is going to be extremely helpful as far as mathematics for IIT JEE is concerned for upcoming mains and advanced paper bachcho. Be ready, get ready, and don't forget the steps. First you have to, whichever chapter questions I am posting, first you have to get its like theory ready, and then open those questions and try to attempt it. If you can't attempt few questions, or maybe out of 10 you are able to attempt 3-4 questions, don't feel sad or don't get discouraged. Why? It's a learning process. It is a learning process. When you will go through the solution, you will learn something out of it, and then you have to keep those things in your mind. Don't forget those concepts, those points which you will learn while solving these questions, while going through its solution bachcho, and that's going to be extremely helpful for you people in the upcoming examination. So that's it from my side. So let's be ready for the upcoming like practice questions for mains and advanced bachcho. Really excited about it for you people, and I'm really excited because I will also be going through so many questions which I'm going to select for you people. Okay, chaliye, with all the best wishes from our side, our team.